Are you on the association's calendar and you just can't find a course that fits your schedule? Well, we have alternatives. Our association is partnered with the CE Shop, which offers 24/7 all online courses that are completely self-paced. You can start as soon as you purchase. There are no books or instructors. You can start and stop them at your leisure, and it will remember where you left off. They are mainly self-taught, so you will be answering questions, providing reading resources, and there's a course final exam. You can either email me for more information so that I can send you an email, or you can go to our website, online resources, and the CE Shop option is here as well. And don't forget to copy that promo code. Just go to Continuing Education, Texas, Sales Broker and Sales License, and it will pull up packages, anything that's mandatory or electives. And it will give you the CE hours and information in detail below. So if I go to course details, it will have a course description for me here. Add to cart. Once you check out, you can have access to this course for 12 months. Now, for online options for designations, you can go to the Center for Realtor Development Online Learning. And if you continue to scroll down, you have your designation and certifications here as well, Code of Ethics programs, and continuing education. Now remember, anytime that you take Code of Ethics for free, you won't receive CE, but if you do pay the fee, CE will be given. And remember, for more information, please reach out to the association at 940-387-8212. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.